So how can you mute voice in your iPhone's video? Let's get started. If you are new on the Foxtecc channel, go ahead and subscribe right now because I have so many tutorials for your devices which are most definitely going to help you out. Anyways, you can locate your video inside of the Photos app, in your gallery where all of your stuff is located. And once you find the video, you can tap on the edit button to perform some changes. And when you go to the edit mode, in the top left corner, you should be able to see the ability to simply mute the video, right? So as you can see right there, you can tap on the microphone icon and it will become strike through, right? So the sound will be canceled, and then you just can click on a done and save the new video without any audio. So that's how it basically works. Obviously, you can revert it back if you need to, right? So that would be like a basic way of muting the clip. If you, however, need something a little bit more advanced, I recommend people to explore some third-party editing options. For instance, there is a CapCut video editor where you have some additional features, like you can, of course, lower down the volume for individual clips, but you can also just do some other stuff, right? So you have some advanced features which you can extract the audio from it and you can isolate the voice in there, right? Then perhaps you can also enhance the voice and do some other things which make it a bit more professional. But if you just need to mute the voice and the sound in general, you can do it with the built-in app, but if not, you will need a different video editor. So let me know which it is for you. Let me know if you achieved what you needed. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm going to catch you in the next tutorials.